Welcome to Protecting the Poles. Meet the people saving the Arctic and Antarctic. This enlightening video will introduce you to the dedicated individuals, communities, and organizations tirelessly working to protect and preserve our planet's polar regions. From scientists gathering crucial data to activists raising global awareness, each plays a critical role in safeguarding these beautiful yet vulnerable ecosystems. Get ready to embark on a truly inspiring journey to the ends of the Earth. Let's meet these environmental heroes. 1. The icy wilderness. Under threat, the Arctic and Antarctic are two of the most unique and fragile ecosystems on our planet. They serve as the world's natural air conditioners, helping to moderate global temperatures. However, these remote regions are facing unprecedented threats from climate change and human activities. The melting ice caps directly impact sea levels worldwide, leading to coastal erosion and more frequent flooding. Moreover, the loss of these icy habitats threatens numerous species, some of which thrive only in these extreme conditions. As the poles continue to experience rapid warming, there is an urgent need to spotlight those dedicated to its preservation. Protecting these icy realms isn't just about saving far-off places, but about safeguarding the future of our planet. 2. Scientists, guardians of data. In their essential role, scientists often serve as the eyes and ears of the frozen poles. They deploy various methods, from ice core drilling to satellite monitoring, providing data crucial for understanding the changes taking place. Each trip to these regions is akin to an adventure, braving harsh conditions to study ice sheets, sea ice, and the unique permafrost areas. Climate models, which predict future scenarios based on these data, are continuously refined thanks to their tireless work. Many of these professionals live in remote research stations for extended periods, underscoring their commitment. Their goal is to map out future impacts and inform policymakers and the public about what they discover, acting as stewards for this unparalleled polar environment. 3. Indigenous communities, traditional custodians. Indigenous peoples have called the Arctic home for thousands of years, deeply intertwined with its landscapes. Their knowledge, passed down through generations, offers invaluable insights about environmental changes. Many of these communities, such as the Inuit in the Arctic, have noticed shifts in animal migration patterns and alterations in their traditional hunting practices due to warming temperatures. Their voices are paramount when discussing conservation efforts, ensuring that any solutions respect their way of life. By collaborating with scientists, these communities blend traditional wisdom with modern research, creating a holistic approach to polar protection. Their first-hand experiences and observations make them irreplaceable in the ongoing dialogue about preserving these regions for future generations. 4. Environmental activists, voices for change. Environmental activists play a crucial role in raising awareness about the challenges facing the poles. Through campaigns, they educate the public about the potential catastrophic effects of melting ice caps. These activists use everything from social media platforms to large-scale events like concerts and protests to engage and mobilize citizens. Many have launched initiatives aimed at reducing carbon footprints and promoting renewable energy as part of the broader fight against climate change. These efforts not only help the poles but aim to create a more sustainable world overall. Their relentless dedication helps drive policy changes, emphasizing the importance of protecting our planet's most vulnerable regions. 5. Photographers, capturing the reality. Photographers venture into the heart of the Arctic and Antarctic to bring back stunning visuals that captivate and inform. Their images serve as both evidence of the beauty and stark reminder of the fragility of these environments. Through their lenses, the world witnesses the breathtaking landscapes, wildlife, and ever-shifting ice formations. These photographs are more than just art. They are a call to action, awakening in viewers a sense of urgency and responsibility. By bridging the gap between these remote territories and the general public, photographers ensure that the poles don't remain distant and abstract concepts. Instead, they become a tangible reality deserving of care and attention. 6. Conservation organizations, the architects of preservation. Numerous organizations are dedicated to conserving the poles by promoting sustainable practices and advocating for stricter environmental policies. They work closely with governments, pushing for boundaries around marine reserves and restrictions on resource extraction. Many of these groups focus on long-term strategies, including efforts to restore ecosystems and promote biodiversity. Engaging volunteers and creating educational programs, they aim to cultivate a global community passionate about the poles. Their projects, whether big or small, often collaborate with local stakeholders, ensuring inclusive and effective conservation. By working behind the scenes, these organizations lay the groundwork for meaningful and lasting change. 7. Innovators, pioneers of technology. Innovation has become a cornerstone of polar protection efforts. Engineers and tech enthusiasts develop cutting-edge solutions, such as drones and autonomous underwater vehicles, to monitor changes otherwise inaccessible to humans. These technological advancements enhance research capabilities, offering new ways to study glacial movements and wildlife habits. Additionally, renewable energy solutions introduced by these innovators have begun powering remote research stations, reducing our carbon footprint. Through their inventive approaches, these pioneers demonstrate how technology can be a powerful ally in the conservation battle. Their work exemplifies the collaboration of science and innovation, providing hope in the face of daunting environmental challenges. 8. Teachers, inspiring future guardians. Education is perhaps one of the most potent tools in the fight to save the poles. Teachers across the globe weave environmental topics into their curriculums, inspiring young minds to value and protect nature. Through interactive lessons, field trips, and collaborations with conservation organizations, they create awareness among the younger generation. Many educators strive to impart the interconnectedness of ecosystems, emphasizing how changes at the poles affect us all. By fostering a sense of stewardship in students, teachers plant seeds for a future where the poles are preserved for generations to come. Their role is pivotal, shaping the attitudes and actions of tomorrow's leaders and guardians. 9. An unyielding commitment. Every person involved in protecting the poles, from researchers to activists and educators, contributes a vital piece to the puzzle. The preservation of these areas is not just an endeavor, it's a testament to humanity's capacity for dedication and resilience. By focusing on a shared goal, these individuals and groups underline the importance of global cooperation in the face of environmental issues. Their combined efforts ensure that the majestic landscapes of the Arctic and Antarctic remain a symbol of endurance and inspiration. However, there is still much work to be done. The narrative of polar conservation is ongoing, and every actor involved plays a role in shaping its trajectory.